Ride with GPS Cycling Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think cycling apps are just for tracking miles, but you won't believe what happens next when you unlock the real power of Ride with GPS. Ride with GPS is a cycling-focused navigation and training platform used by recreational riders, endurance cyclists, and even professional teams. It allows you to plan routes, follow turn-by-turn directions, analyze rides, and discover new cycling paths. The surprising truth is that Ride with GPS has one of the most accurate cycling map systems available. It uses real rider data to highlight safer roads, bike paths, and popular routes. This helps you avoid dangerous traffic areas and enjoy smoother rides. Most people get this wrong. They think the free version is enough for navigation. In reality, turn-by-turn voice directions, offline maps, and advanced route tools are part of the paid plans. The app also lets you upload GPX files, follow group rides, and sync with fitness devices. This makes it ideal for cyclists who train seriously or explore new areas. Ride with GPS is best for riders who value safety, precision, and route planning. The surprising truth is that smarter routes can make you a stronger rider. Subscribe for more honest fitness tech reviews that help you ride smarter.